multiplication of integers and properties of multiplication of integers. Okay, multiplication means that is it's a process of repeated addition. This is some examples are there. Actually, 5 multiplied by 4 means we are adding 5 4 times. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, the answer is 20. Which means multiplication means that is a repeated addition. And another example, minus 3 multiplied by 3, which means we are adding minus 3 times. Minus 3 plus minus 3 plus minus 3. Here we are applying the sign of addition. Here two numbers are negative integers are there. Suppose we are adding two negative integers, add the number and put the negative sign. That is, here answer is minus 6. Again we are adding plus minus 3. Again these two integers are negative integers. Here we are adding the integer and put negative sign. So our answer is minus 9. And another example, minus 4 multiplied by 2, which means minus 4 add 2 times. Minus 4 plus minus 4, 4 plus 4 8. Both numbers are negative only, so our sign is minus 8. So the answer is minus 8. And next is assigning of sign in multiplication of integers. Assigning means suppose we are multiplying two positive integers, then what is the sign? Otherwise we are multiplying two negative integers, then what is the sign like that? First one, positive integer multiplied by positive integer equal to positive integer itself. And second, negative integer multiplied by negative integer, that is equal to again positive integer. This is our first one, second, third and fourth. Third and fourth is first integer is positive and second one is negative. One is positive and one is negative. When we are multiplying unlike integers, unlike means one is positive and here one is negative, our answer is always negative. This is same case. Negative integer into positive integer. Here is our sign is negative. Multiply by this is positive. One is negative and one is positive means here also this is unlike integers. So our answer is always negative. So first case, positive into positive is positive. We can check by some examples. For 2 into 3. Here simply 2 and 3 means the sign is here plus and here is also sign is plus. What is 2 into 3? Our answer is 6. That is also plus. Another one. 1 into 10. 1 into 10 means the sign of 1 is here plus. Here the sign of 10 again plus. That is positive into positive. 1 into 10 is 10 and our sign is positive. Another one. 10 into 5. Here also both numbers are positive only. So we multiply the numbers. 10 into 5 is answer is 50 and the sign. Simply 10 and 5 means this is positive and this is also positive. Our sign is also positive. Our second case. Negative integer into negative integer equal to positive. Some examples. Minus 2 into minus 5. Here both numbers are negative integer only. Okay. Negative numbers minus 2 and minus 5. First we are multiplying the numbers only. What is 2 into 5? 2 into 5 is 10 and both are negative. So our sign is always positive. So the answer is plus 10. Or minus 10 into minus 10. Multiply the numbers. 10 into 10 is 100. Both are negative. So our sign is always positive. Another one. Minus 5 into minus 5. Okay. Here both the numbers are negative. 5 into 5 is 25 and the sign is positive, which means suppose our two numbers are negative numbers, then our answer is always positive. And third one. One is positive integer and the positive integer multiplied by negative integer is equal to always negative. 1 is positive and 1 is negative means this is unlike integers. In the case of unlike integers, multiply the number and put negative sign always. That is 2 into minus 5. Here simply 2 means this is always plus. So here 1 is positive and 1 is negative. Multiply the numbers. 2 into 5 is 10 and our sign always negative. So apply negative sign. That is plus 2 into minus 5 is equal to minus 10 or minus 10 into plus 10 into minus 10. This is 1 is positive and 1 is negative, or this is unlike integers. In this case also multiply the numbers. 10 into 10 is 100. 1 is positive and 1 is negative. Our sign is always negative. So the answer is minus 100. Here answer is minus 10. And D part is same this one. Here first integer is negative and second integer is positive. Here is also same case. Minus 2 into plus 5. This is also unlike integers. In unlike integers, our sign is always negative. That is, first we multiply the numbers. 2 into 5. 2 into 5 is 10. 1 is negative and 1 is positive. So we are applying negative sign only. Or minus 3 into plus 3. Here is also first one is negative and second one is positive. Multiply the numbers. What is 3 into 3? 3 into 3 is 9 and apply negative sign. That is minus sign. Minus 9. So we can conclude for like integers. Like integers means both are same sign. Maybe first and second one is positive or both are negative. In this case, like integers, our sign is always positive, and unlike integers, when we are multiplying unlike integers, our sign is always negative. So our next topic is properties of multiplication of integers. Our first property, closure property of multiplication. Closure property means, suppose we are taking two integers. Here if A and B are integers, then A multiplied by B is also an integer. For example, I am taking A as 2 and B as minus 3. So here 2 and minus 3 both are integers only. Suppose if A and B are integers, then A multiplied by B is also an integer. That is, here A into B means 2 into minus 3. This is unlike integer. In the case of unlike integer, always our sign is negative. That is negative. What is 2 into 3? 6. Minus 6 is our answer. And just look, minus 6 is also another integer. So this is also an integer only. Which means closure property means if A and B are integers, then A cross B is also an integer. And second property, commutative property of multiplication. Commutative property means the product of two integers remains the same if their positions are interchanged. Which means A and B are two integers. We are finding A into B and B into A. Both are same. Suppose we are interchanging their position, then also our answer become always same. Just check. Here is also we can take A is equal to 2 and B equal to minus 3. And this is LHS and this is RHS. So first take our LHS, that is A into B. A into B means here at the place of A 2 and here at the place of B minus 3. 2 into minus 3. 2 into minus 3 means this is unlike integer, so our sign is always negative. And 2 into 3 minus 6. This is our LHS. What is our RHS here? B into A. So at the place of b here is minus 3. Minus 3 into 2. This is also unlike integers. So our sign is always negative and multiply the numbers. What is 3 into 2? 3 into 2 is 6. That is a into b and b into a both are same. This is our commutative property. And third property, associative property of multiplication. Associative property means the product of 3 or more integers remains the same irrespective of the order in which they are multiplied. Which means here a into b into c. Here is one bracket is there, which means when we are doing the work or problem, first we are doing inside the bracket what is there, we are doing that one first. A into b into c equal to a into b into c. I will show you one example. Here we are taking a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3, again c is equal to 4. So first I am taking this LHS part, that is a into b into c. Okay, so here is inside the bracket a into b. So what is inside the bracket, we are doing that one first. And here 2 into minus 3 into 4. That is, this is unlike integers. Unlike integers, our sign is always negative. 2 into 3 is minus 6. So the value of 2 into minus 3 is minus 6 into what is here remaining 4. So again this is unlike integers. One is negative and one is positive. So here also our sign is always negative. 6 4s are 24. So our answer is minus 24. This is our LHS part, this one. A into b into c. This value is minus 24. Now we are checking this part. That is a into b into c. What is a here? 2. B is minus 3 and c is equal to 4. That is 2 into minus 3 into 4. Here first we are doing inside, what are the operations inside one bracket, that then we are doing first. That is here 2 into, one is negative and one is positive. This is also unlike integers. Multiplication of unlike integers, our sign is always negative. 3 4s are 12. Again, this is positive and this is negative. This is also again unlike integers. So our sign is always negative. 2 into 12. 2 into 12 is 24. Which means, suppose we are multiplying 3 or more integers. Their order is not a matter. Our answer is always same. And our fourth property, multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity means the product of any integer with 1 is the integer itself. Which means we are multiplying any number with 1. That number, our answer is that number itself. For example, 2 into 1. Okay, I am taking the integer 2. This integer is multiplied by 1. The value is always that number itself. That is, the value of 2 into 1 is 2. Or this one same we can write like this, 1 into 2 also. Both the answer is always same. Or 100 into 1, answer is 100. Or minus 5 into 1, the answer is that number itself. That is, answer is minus 5. Or minus 188 into 1, answer is that number itself. That is minus 188. So this is our multiplicative identity. So in the case of multiplicative identity is always here. 1 is the multiplicative identity. And fifth property, zero property of multiplication, which means Suppose we are multiply any integer with 0. Our answer is always 0. That is a into 0 equal to 0 or 0 into a is equal to 0. 10 into 0. Answer is always 0 or 1000 into 0. Answer is 0 or minus 500 into 0. Answer is 0, which means when we are multiplying any integer with 0, our answer is always 0. Another sixth property, distributive property of multiplication. Distributive property means product of an integer with the sum of two other integers is equal to sum of the products of the first integer with the other two integers, which means this is the equation. A into b plus c equal to a into b plus a into c, which means outside this bracket one integer is there. A is the integer. So when we are multiplying a into b plus c, this a is common for both b and c, which means first we are multiplying this a with b, that is a into b. Then here the sign is positive. This sign we are applying here also, and again a into c. Okay, at the place of plus here is suppose minus, then a into b minus c. Now also this a is common for both b and c. So first we multiply a with b, and what is the sign here? Minus. So here we can write a into b minus, again we are multiplying this a with the c, that is a into c. Okay, this is an example. Suppose we are taking a is equal to 2, b is equal to 4 and c is equal to minus 3. What is our distributive property? A into b plus c is equal to, first we are multiplying a and b, that is a into b. Then what is the sign here? Plus. Plus again a into c. Okay, so first we are taking this LHS. Our LHS is a into b plus c. Just verify is it correct or wrong. Okay, so at the place of a 2, substitute the values, that is 2 into b is 4 plus minus 3. This is our LHS. So inside the bracket there is 4 plus minus 3. This is addition of two integers. One is positive and one is negative. In this case, find the difference and put the sign of largest number. That is 2 into, what is the difference between 4 and 3? The difference between 4 and 3 is 1, and 4 is the largest number. The sign of 4 is here positive only. So the answer is plus 1. That is 2 into plus 1. Both numbers are positive integer only. 2 into 1 is 2. Just check our RHS. RHS is a into b plus a into c. Substitute the values. A means a is our 2. That is 2 into 4 plus 2 into minus 3. What is the value of 2 into 4 is 8 plus, this is unlike integers, so our sign is always negative. 2 into 3 are 6. This is addition of two integers, one is positive and one is negative. So find the difference between two numbers and put the sign of largest number. The difference between 8 and 6 is 2. Here 8 is the largest number. The sign of 8 is plus here. So the value, our sign is also plus. Here is also plus. That is LHS and RHS are same. So this distributive property we are verified here.